What's up, guys? Back here with the XJ. Today we're gonna replace some door pins hinges. These guys right here, I don't know how good y'all see them. Ordered them off Amazon, so we'll see if they work. Jeep Cherokee here. The hinges there. This one's shot and she sags and she's scraping down here. We can see getting that guy. But anyways, we're gonna try to do it with the door still on it. See what happens. We're gonna probably do both of them. Might as well. But anyways, the way I'm gonna start is I just center punched it right there. I've seen a bunch of other guys, they take the door off and slice it down, but I don't feel like taking the door off for nothing, so I just put a center punch right there and made me a nice little hole right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. So we're gonna stick a drill bit in there and drill all the way through her, and then just keep working our way up till we get all the way through it and go from there. So give me a couple seconds, let me get set up and start drilling and see what happens. All right, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, first one drilled. Let's see if I can show you the hole that I started. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, a little bit in the middle. Anyways, we're gonna keep going big as I can go until it's almost about ready to break. I'll get back with y'all in 1 second. Hold on. Alright, we're next size up here. Come on, stupid plastic lining in here. Spray. That one down. Let's see if we can get the next one in there real quick. Sorry about the lighting. I know it's crappy, but grab some cutters, see if I can't cut that the rest of the way. Alright, guys, took my old good cable cutters here. I finished, let's see if I can get a light. Finished cutting her all the way through. So as you can see right there, the top's already starting to wiggle out, so we're gonna take the old handy dandy pry bar, wiggle him up and down until he pops up. stupid crap. Give me 1 second, I get back with y'all and go grab some pliers. Alright guys, took the old pliers, you know, fiddle faddled with that stupid damn, whatever you want to call that, pin. Got him out. Now we're down here working on the bottom. Can't get him out. What y'all probably want, but might be a little shaky, huh? I got her out. So, see, I just drilled through her. Let's see, there we go. Right down through the center. And I just clipped the last little bit, and out she came. So, got this disconnected already. Going to try to drill the bottom right now, because, you know, I don't know. Let me slide this back, see if we can change it or not. Otherwise, we'll have to drill that one out and change that one at the same time. So, I'll get back with y'all. Alright, guys. This stupid crap. Alright. Got the bottom one drilled and it's coming out. Oh, you know. Didn't think about, hey, you idiot. You ain't got someone to hold the door for you when you take them both loose. But you can't get the top out unless you take the bottom loose, obviously. So, we're gonna figure up something to try to make it so this door isn't gonna, I don't know, come falling down. Cause I don't feel like taking off the panel, you know, fishing all these stupid wires out. So I guess we'll see what happens. I don't know. Door probably fall off for all I care. I don't know. This old rust bucket I got down here in Florida. As you see, I got this little rubber mat down here. It's covering up a whole kinds of shimbobbery old nastiness the guy that before me had. So that'll be coming up in another video. Got this old spot wheel drill bit. So obviously we're gonna put floor pans in here coming up here pretty soon. So if y'all interested in seeing a regular guy, regular Joe, ain't got special tools but a welder and a cutoff wheel and some drills, we're gonna try to knock out a floor pan. So y'all like and subscribe and all that other good stuff, and we'll see what kind of crap I get into when we cut out the floor. But anyways, let me finish driving these pins the rest of the way out and see if I can not let the door fall. So I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, hopefully y'all can see this crap. Let's see where we at here. So got it off, got the door chilling on jack stands and this, and bungee corded to the snorkel. So I got her just set in between the hinges right now, pretty much just halfway in between, so I can get the bushings out. So I'm gonna grab these bushings out. They should just pop out, so if there's anything left. So I'll let y'all see when I get them out. Alright guys, this stupid crap here, whatever, we got all the stupid bushings taken out, top and bottom down here. Oh, that's a pain in the neck. But anyways, look at that damn shadow, stupid piece of crap, freaking light. But anyways, here, there's the ones that are all worn out. You can't really see it, but just take a flathead, catch the little end right there with the flathead, little lip, just give it a couple taps. See, it'll crush in and just pop right on out. So anyways, let's see if we can't get these new bushings in there, and then see how this door holds up. So give me a couple seconds. All right guys, got all the new bushings in there, and the trick to those is just set them in there, grab yourself a nice pair of pliers, just squeeze them down on in there, all four corners. You can get all of them nice and easy, so that ain't too bad. My light's going away, so I know it's kind of crappy views, but anyways, y'all get the idea. So I'm gonna line the door back up on the hinges and drop the pins, and I'll get back with y'all and we'll see how it shuts. Hopefully better than it did. So, 1 second. Alright guys, back here. Got all the pins and everything pushed back in. See if the door's gonna close without slamming. Ooh boy. I ain't closed like that in a couple years. But anyways, really ain't hard. It only took me a couple hours, but really honestly, you just need a good set of drill bits. Know what you're doing. You know, get in there and finagle it out. You know, you can write me on here on YouTube and got any questions, you know. Next, we're gonna tackle this floor. Look at that hole over there. Let's see if I can see it on the damn camera. There goes one there. There's another one somewhere over here. But anyways, we're gonna throw some floor pans in here. So, bought this little guy here. Spot weld cutter. So hopefully I ain't gotta fight with the spot welds. And anyways, we're gonna get the pan thrown in. I got one of the pans sitting back over here. Where is it? One of them right here. So I had a welder, but that thing took a crap the other day, so gotta come up with another welder. Molly, go lay down. That's old Molly Polly right there. But yeah. But anyways, a little pain in the ass, but anybody can do it. The door ain't shut like that in a while. So, well guys, if y'all like this video, you know, give a thumbs up, subscribe. We're gonna get the floor pans done here. I don't know, video coming up here, probably catch a couple trailers first, put those videos up. But other than that, we're gonna throw some floors in it, and then we got some other rust we gotta fix. So if any of y'all got some rusty Jeeps out there, X-Jays, and want to see how I'm going to fix it, I don't know, tag along. We're going to get this one squared away. So, all right guys, y'all take it easy. Thanks.